Cleaning Unwholesome Thoughts by Mindfulness by Venerable Rungruang Papasaro, Dr. Rungruang Limchopadipa. Before the Enlightenment, the Buddha performed the mindfulness meditation and mindfulness absorption in most of the early day, especially when encountering with the initial thoughts in the first stage of absorption, and he advised on how to handle an arising initial unwholesome thought with a proper liberated thinking.
I, the Buddha, experience various kinds of initial thoughts, so I analyze these initial thoughts into two types, the unwholesome one and the wholesome one. The unwholesome ones are such as those initial thoughts of desire for sensual pleasure, and those initial thoughts of ill will, and those initial thoughts of taking advantage of others. The wholesome ones are such as those initial thoughts of being free from desire for sensual pleasure, with resistance to pleasure response, and those initial thoughts of being free from ill will with forgiveness, and those initial thoughts of not taking advantage of others, with kindness. And by establishing mindfulness on the arising unwholesome initial thought, then realizing that if letting the unwholesome initial thought continue, it will develop to be a harmful and unbeneficial thought to life, then it is necessity to immediately have mindfulness to bring in with a proper wholesome initial thought, Dharma, as a liberated thinking to suppress the arising unwholesome initial thought.
The Buddha spends a whole day and night to cleanse all the initial thoughts, and by then the mind is completely free from any disturbing thoughts.